Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to hide product if price is zero in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now on screen you see product price is zero. So we will hide it. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to install plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert, header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation scroll down. On left side you see code snippet, then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down, select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to shop page. Now you see product as zero price. Now refresh the page. Now you see product is hide. Now back to edit code. Now disable code and click on update. Now you see snippet updated. Go to shop page again and refresh the page. Now you see product show again, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. By using this code you will hide product completely if price at zero, and you will find two custom code in video description or in comment section, so you can use any code. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.